Hello! Welcome to my new video. Today I show you step by step how to make this awesome quilted shoulder bag with square bottom and a flap. In the beginning of the video I give you free pattern for this bag and like always you can modify it. In this case to obtain bigger or smaller bag. To sew it, I recycled fabric from mixed wool jacket, but any heavy fabric will be just great. You will also need quilt batting and a clasp. You can thrift it as well, very easily. So, subscribe, comment, like, and let's have fun! Polyester batting. Pin on or glue batting to left side of fabric. Draw lines 6 cm wide. How to quilt with thread or yarn. Zigzag stitch, 3 stitch length. Round the corners. Sewing bag. Pin sides. Sew. Top stitch. With right sides together, pin lining to back flap. Sew. Cut. Press. Top stitch. Pin flap to back and sew. Choose clasp, fold and mark center. Cut. Attach clasp to bag. Add extra support to clasp 2 fabric scraps. Attach clasp to bag. Sewing back strap. Fold and pin. Sew. On both ends of the belt, leave 5 cm unstitched. Sew 2 holes for a belt. Thread the belt through the hole. Pin the ends of the stripes and sew them together. Cut. Fold and pin. Sew. Sew back lining, the same like main back. Leave 5 cm gap. With the right sides together, pin the lining to the bag. Sew. Turn the bag right side out through the slit. and sew the gap. Top stitch. And here you can see already back. Super comfy and great looking. Perfect for everyday use. Soon I will add a new video about sewing a different shoulder bag. So subscribe if you haven't done it yet to see and sew more projects like that